Hello. Today we are going to learn some new pronunciations, and those pronunciations would be on vowel sound. So let's check it out. So we know that there are 5 vowels in English alphabets, and those are A, E, I, O, U. But do we know how to pronounce those? Actually, of these 5 vowels, there are 12 different vowel sounds. That is, each and every vowel sounds in different types. How? Let's see. Let's give an example first. Let's take the sound E, right? Okay. Suppose the first one is A, the short one, like egg. Similarly, another one is E, E, long ones. That is ye, or you could say she. Okay. Then comes the long vowel with an accent that is called cafe. Cafe. A. Cafe. Okay. And the last one is the schwa sound. Ooh. That is the most laziest one. Ooh. How? 11. 11. Schwa. 11. So short A, egg. Long E, he. Long with an accent that is A, cafe. And the last one is uh, that is schwa sound 11. So let's check the other 12 vowel sounds. So, as we know, the first one is on. So let's check the first two. That is E, the long one, and E, the short one. E, ship. Okay. Like we could also give some more examples of it. So let's check it out. The long sound E and the short sound E and the long sound E. So ship, or we can also say sing, or pitch. Similarly, for the long ones, we could say ship, bitch. We can also say eat, or we can say meat. Okay, now let's go for the other two sounds. Those are these two, oo and oo, oo, oo. Let's see some examples of it. So let's check the short oo sound, like good. We can say book. We can also say cook, or we can go for book. Okay, now let's go for the long sound, that is ooh, ooh, like shoot. You could say you, or we can also say to, or we can also go for shoe. Now, let's go for the short A sound and A sound. A, 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 bed, a, cat. So let's check some other examples as well with it. All right. So let's check the examples of A sound first. A, the short A. Okay. The first one is bed. We can also go for egg. Okay. 10. Or let's check a big word that is called excellent. A. Now come to the long sound that is A. Let's check some examples of it. The examples of A sound are cat, or we can say flat. We can also say that, or we can also go for compact. So next is the most commonly heard sound, that is eh, eh, that is teacher, teacher, or we could say day, or we can also say Sunday. The, eh, the, day. Now let's check the other sound, that is the This is called how? Bird, bird. Let's check some other examples of it. So we can say her, her. We can also say word, word. We can also go for work, work. So the next sound is the O sound. O, do. We can also say O, bought, a farm. O, a farm. Next is the A sound. A, up. So let's see some other examples of A sound. So A for up, A for umbrella. We can also say cup or butter. And now it's the turn for the long ah sound. Ah, far, ah. The examples are far, part, part. We can also say jar, jar, or heart, heart. Last but not the least, this is the aw sound, aw. So let's check some other examples of aw sound. Aw, aw for on, or not, not. We can also say God, as in we can also go for log. Now we can see the differences between these all types of sounds. Thank you so much.